Most people sleep on the deviled eggs at Texas Roadhouse, and that's a mistake. This one topping on these changes everything. What makes a deviled egg unforgettable? Not the filling, it's what's on top. Let me show you. Now we're going to start with the topping because it needs time to cool. Now you are going to take some real bacon bits, the dehydrated kind, not the fresh. Toss with some brown sugar, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of onion powder. Spread them on a silicone mat or parchment sheet on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Watch them closely because the sugar goes from burnt to caramelized fast. Now while this cools, slice your eggs in half, pop those egg yolks out, mash completely smooth, and then add in heavy mayonnaise, mustard, sweet pickle relish, a bit of onion powder, garlic powder. Taste it, it should be creamy and tangy. Now pipe or spoon the filling onto the egg whites, chop the cooled candied bacon, sprinkle generously on top, dust with paprika, and add chopped parsley. Refrigerate for at least an hour for best flavor. Now get the full recipe, it's in the description box below. Make these and leave a comment.